If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Let's take a look at another problem. Find the managers who are older than 60 years and have a tenure of 15 years or more by end of 2018. So again here we will be performing a self join on employees table. So let's start employees. For manager let's use M, and I'll join employees as E for employee on E dot reports equals M dot employee ID. Since we want only managers, let's use the M table only. First name, concatenate, last name. Now we need tenure by end of 2018 and age by 2018. So what we will do is we will use a date function and simply construct a date 2018 12/31 and do a simple subtraction per date and call it age. Similarly, we'll do a tenure and here instead of birth date I'll use a higher date and do a group by. Now first let's see the output of this one before applying the where clause. Now we know who all have age of 60 or more and 15 plus years of tenure. So now just insert a where clause, and here instead of using this I can simply use the alias and see what happens. Age is 60 and tenure 15. We have the output.